Biro lamang at hindi seryoso ang tungkol sa wheelchair na binanggit ni Pangulong Aquino sa kanyang speech sa Filipino community sa New Zealand. Inihayag ito ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda matapos makilahok ang oposisyon sa Kamara sa pagbabatiko sa Pangulo. Sa kanyang talumpati, sinabi ng Pangulo na ang mga kurap sa Pilipinas ay may mga magagara, mamahalin at matutuling kotse. Pero pag gustong tumakas, wheelchair ang kanilang sinasakyan. Ayon kay Lacerda, hindi intensyon ng Pangulo sa kanyang biro na kutyain ang mga may kapansanan.
As far as we're concerned, it's a joke. We do not demean the people with disabilities. In fact, there have been instances where someone who's about to be arrested suddenly becomes sick or suddenly would use, these are the way how they try to evade detention. So that's what the joke was meant to be and nothing more. And this is in no way, this does not in any way demean persons with disabilities. In fact, those people with real disabilities are the ones that that should raise a hue about this situation, because those who are sick, those people suddenly becoming sick when they're about to be arrested, and it's been happening every so often, and this has to stop.